Hey friends, this is Ron from Optimized Effects. Welcome to the review video for week 3 of the EA forward testing. If you haven't seen the previous 2 videos, I suggest you go watch them so you can see how all the robots have gone so far. And this is where we're up to right now. So this is going to be a pretty quick video. It's just going through what happened last week, which is a little bit to talk about. And moving forward to next week, we're just going to see what's going to happen. And then we'll round out the month of forward testing for all the robots that I've had here. So it's pretty exciting, and I've got some pretty cool stuff to share. So let's kick it off. But first, before I do, if this stuff is cool to you, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. Right, with that out of the way, let's get into this first EA, which is called Expert Trader V6. This has been trading the Euro USD M15 time frame, and these are the results so far. And yeah, I'm quite impressed. So daily 0.53%, and for the last week it made $59. So far in total it's made 90 over the 3 weeks. So pretty good. The max drawdown it has seen was $136. And that was observed on the 24th of the month. So that's pretty cool. And this is just a summary of how much it's made and how much drawdown it's had. So it's a little bit in the red, but it's not too bad. So yeah. Let me know what you think about this one in the comments below. Is it worth testing it again and doing more pairs and maybe different time frames? Let me know what you think. Right. Day Profits EA London Breakout has been trading excellently. It doesn't make a whole heap of money, as you can see, like the most it's made is 116, like the previous EA. However, the max drawdown has been a lot less. And some days are better than others, and currently it's holding around about $31 in drawdown. And it has been holding a little bit of drawdown for the last couple of weeks. I don't think it's finished a week not in drawdown. So maybe with this one moving forward, if you're going to trade it live, I'll suggest maybe turning it off trading on Friday. And try and get those trades closed before the rollover of the week. So you're starting fresh on Monday without those really big wide spreads that happen on Monday morning. Or for me, morning anyway, because that's when the market's open. But as you can see here, this is just a breakdown of all the pairs that has been trading and the drawdown versus profit ratio of all of those there. So take with that what you will. I think it's pretty good. Hasn't blown the account. So there you go. SpaceX Trader Pro, however, I thought, well, to be fair, it is trading more pairs. But you know, in saying that, it's traded more pairs, but you know, it hasn't made as much as the daily one. It's made $100. It's had one loss day, which is kind of good to see. That's kind of good. For the week, it made $34, and but unfortunately, it did observe quite a bit of drawdown. I think that happened. No, it happened on the 19th, 308. So there you have it. So the worst offender was USD CHF that had the most drawdown. Oh, sorry, USD JPY. If we have a look here, actually, we can see here, this is what USD JPY did, and this is what happened to SpaceX Trader. It just opened. So typical grid martingale opens a lot of orders and waits for the market to come back enough for it to close. It didn't quite do it here, but it was able to here. So I'm actually glad it made it through it, but it's a bit scary if you had it on a live account. FX Machine is, again, not really much to really talk about. Don't think it did much this week. For the week it made $8, so it did a little bit, but yeah, very, very slow, steady robot. The chances of blowing this is very minimal. It doesn't trade enough for that to happen. Now, King Kong. This is the one that blew the account. You can see here that GU took a dive, and I think EU did the same kind of thing. Actually, I've got rid of EU. EU did the same kind of thing. it dropped down and come back up. But I think the main culprit was GU. The problem with this is I think it ran out of margin and got margin called, and that is what caused the stop outs. We can have a look here, Euro USD as well, and then we've got Euro USD again, and then GU. So the main reason being is that King Kong likes to open pretty large trades to combat drawdown, like trending. And the highest was 1.56 on USD JPY, but that was a pair that I decided to trade after I realized that King Kong didn't like trading a lot of pairs at once because of this reason. You run out of margin very quick. So I think moving forward, I don't think I'll test it again, and the main reason being is that it does do quite higher trades, but this is an EA that's probably best suited to an account that's I think the developer mentioned something like $3,000 per one pair, and I think they're trading GU, pound USD. So that's my 2 cents for King Kong. I'm not going to trade it anymore. I'm not going to use it live. It did go pretty well in the early days. It did make a lot, but there you have it there, 1472. So it made 472 before it blew, and then it's lost again there. We've got a balance as 0.43 cents. So there you have it with that. Now on to one called rFactor. This was mentioned to have a crack. This is after both the Titan X's blew the account. So yeah, rFactor a bit tricky because I don't exactly know what set file to use for it to be good, but it has made a couple of trades and made a little bit of profits. But I think the problem with rFactor is that the swaps and the commissions take away all the profit. As you can see here, 74 cents swap, 2 cents, no commission on that one. That's not a good example, but I think I mentioned this in the last video. This is kind of the thing with this robot, is that sometimes the commissions and the swaps eat away at the small amount of profits that it does make. But yeah, I'm not really seeing too much of that here. Like this one, for instance, is a good example. So 68 cents, and then you've got a swap of 48 cents. So there you have it. Yeah, a bit early for me to tell. There's a lot of settings, a lot of set files with rFactor, so I'll keep it going for another week, and it might be worth trading again in the month after this. Now this one here, the winner, and Nesco. As you can see, it needs to be updated. I don't have that, but Nesco has been trading, and I don't think the winner did much. I mean, it traded once, but Nesco has been trading. It's made $31. There are the trades for the week. I'm going to have a look here. Trades for the week, $27, and there was one losing day. There you go. Second last, we have, this was the AI prop firm EA. So remember that one, I had it on H1, realized it had to be on M15, changed it to M15, and this is what we got. Just all losses. And now I've got EA Golden Elephant, and Golden Elephant has been making money. Disregard this max drawdown here, that is not correct because I just chucked it on the other account. Just to see if it would trade and how it would go. But so far, quite impressed. It has, yeah, these are all the orders, EAGE, which is Golden Elephant. There's some good orders there. It trades gold on the M5 time frame, and that's it. Not really much to mention about that for the rest. And last but not least, we have the Forex perk, and now I've added USD CAD. USD CAD had a bit of a moment last week, but our max drawdown on H1 default settings with the third one going, USD CAD, is $111, and the profit now is for the week was 108. For the month so far was 230. So 230 total over 3 weeks, mainly with 2 pairs. Now I've got a third one there to see, just to stress it out a little bit more, see how it goes. But yeah, H1 seems to be the go here. And that rounds up the updates for all the EAs for the 3rd week. And yeah, looking forward to next week, see how they all go. I think we've found some really good ones. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. That's it for me, Rowan. I will see you in the next video, which is probably going to be about crypto, so stay tuned for that. Also do some more backtesting videos for you as well. And I'm also going to review some EAs on the marketplace and let you know what I think about them. So got some pretty cool videos coming out soon. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again. Bye bye.